Not bad. Look at that. Not bad at all, eh? Not bad, Eachine. Not bad. Alright. So, I've only flown for a couple of minutes. And we're at 44%. It's not bad. I've been recording the whole time. So, it's not bad. I'm going to stop recording here. Conserve some battery power. And just going to take it up for a quick spin and see how long it lasts before a battery runs out. How about that? That's pretty steady. It's already telling me that battery's low. So I'm just gonna let it be and see what it does. Just gonna let it be and see what it does. See if it returns home. Moving it around pretty slowly until it runs out of battery and decides to just automatically return itself back home. Now the only way to get really decent steady shots is to man this thing very slowly. I mean, it's pretty hard with these joysticks. They're kind of not, I mean, you know, it's not the best, but like I said, for the quality, can't go wrong. You can see that. You can see the battery here is at 19%. I haven't tried any of these functions at all. Now it's returning home. You can see it did not operate other functions when returning aircraft. So now it's trying to return home. Let's see where it's going to go now. There we go. Not gonna go anywhere. Gonna have to manually land it. Doesn't seem like it wants to do what I'm telling it to do, so still difficult there. See, it's like, alright. There we go. That's the closest I'm gonna get. Yeah, I brushed it against the grass a little bit, but not bad. It's okay. Nothing happened. Just a little stick there, but yeah, I don't recommend you doing that because these propellers are made out of plastic and they can just snap off or can go into the motor there and just really mess up your motor. So I'll be showing you guys exactly. I've seen a lot of people complaining about how they can't record to the SD card here, and the reason is probably you don't have the SD card formatted properly, so you have to format the card to Exfat, and once you do that, you do it on your computer, your laptop, desktop, whatever. Format the card first, make sure it's on Exfat, and you should be ready to go. I'm going to show you now how you can see the photos. So I'm going to go into the Eachine app. I'm going to turn this on. Let me see if I can access them without turning the drone on. Okay, you see all the pictures there. click on here, you don't see the video and you don't see anything on the card. That's because the drone is not synced to it. So you would have to have the drone on, obviously. Turn this off, let it sync up again. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to turn this off, turn that off. I'm going to turn this off as well. Turn that off. Alright, so you turn the drone back on. Turn the controller back on. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we're back online. You can see that. Let me take that out. So you're going to go into your photos, your albums. And if you click on here, now you can see the SD card. Now you can see all of your videos that you've just taken. And it hasn't, when it pops out here, that records straight to your phone. So this is the SD card. As you can see, all of my video files are here. I'll show you the last. You can play it, delete it, or you can transfer it directly to your phone and save it like that. Let me just play here and show you a quick preview. That's just it landing. Blah blah blah. You already know the deal. Turn that off, and yeah, that's basically it. So you have to have the drone and the transmitter connected to each other in order for you to see your photos. Other than that, the photos, even if they don't appear here, like if I turn this off, I'm gonna turn that off, and I go here, and well, they're now they're not there. You see, I can't access them. See, I can't access them, but that doesn't mean that they're not there. They're still recorded onto the SD card, so don't fret. They're there. Once you put them on an SD card reader, you'll have access to all of your video files. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna turn this baby off, exit, and yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it for the Eachine E520s. Not bad of a drone. It's a beginner drone, beginner level. It's great really for photos, for photography, aerial photography. I'd say it performs really well, as you can see from the images I've taken. Other than that, the video, it's great. It's you know, it's 2K, not really 4K. But you know, being that it doesn't have a gimbal, 3-axis gimbal, you're not going to get like super stable footage. So just keep that in mind when you're buying it. If you do decide to buy it, it's great to learn it. You know, it's not a toy drone. It's a beginner level. You can really learn how to fly this thing and practice, and you know, get your drone on. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll have more video reviews. I'll do, you know, I'll go into the settings and do the follow me orbit on another video. But I just wanted to take this out for test flight and see how it performed. Alright, stay tuned for more. Thanks a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys later.